Alright guys, so I'm doing a review of this Welo bar or Welo bar. I'm not sure how it's actually supposed to be pronounced, but this is a kid's probiotic bar. It's basically a granola bar that has very low amounts of sugar, 2 grams of sugar. And if you look here, it is plant-based, dairy-free, gluten-free, and has live cultures. These are on sale. And yeah, check this out. If you guys want to read this, pause the video and take a look at the ingredients. That's what's inside. Alright, let's open this up and do a quick taste test. So here it is. I've done a review of the mixed berry one. The mixed berry one was fine. It's small, but it also had the aroma of the berries weren't that strong, so it was alright. So it does a fine job as a granola bar. Hopefully this one changes it. Let's open this up. So as you can see, these bars are very small. You can eat like 100 of these and still be full, hungry. So, but here it is. Let's do a quick taste test. So this is just as chewy as the mixed berry one, but I actually like the apple cinnamon one better than the mixed berry. This one has way better aroma, and it actually tastes a lot better than the mixed berry. The mixed berry was just bland, almost tasteless. The cinnamon really gives this one a flavor to it, so, and you get the little bit of sourness with the apples. They're definitely really good. This is the one I would choose, guys. If you have any questions, comments, please subscribe to the channel.